Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Oh, how do you do? A very cheerful good morning to all my loving children. And we have planned a beginner's basic English course for all of you. And I am sure that it will help you all to understand the fundamentals in English and thereby improving your spoken and written English. Today, let's learn about vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. I think you all know about vowels and consonants. You all know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Out of 26 letters, there are five vowels and the rest are consonants. But I don't think you have learned why there are 5 vowels and the rest are consonants. And how can we call or how can we identify these 5 vowels? You have not learned, I think. Have you learned? Have you learned? No. Okay, it's quite okay. There is no problem. Here we learn. So what you have already learned, that there are 5 vowels. How many vowels are there? Five vowels. Okay, there is no doubt in that. So which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. And here what we are going to learn for the first time is how can we identify these 5 letters are vowels. And let us pronounce these letters. Let us try to pronounce. Pronounce along with me. You pronounce along with me. Which is this letter? This is A. A. And when we say that A, you know that there is no block. There is no block of air. Air flows smoothly. Air goes out smoothly. So we can say that this is a vowel. Which one? A. And if you just check the next letter, that is B. For example, B. You say it as B. When you pronounce B, there is block of air. Air does not pass smoothly out. So we can say B. B is a consonant. So if you check all the consonants, you know that there is block of air. We cannot pronounce it smoothly by letting the air going out. So similarly, this E. So air goes out like that. E. There is no block of air. There is no restriction. Then I. Air goes out. O. Then U. Okay. So from this, I think you understood how we identify these 5 letters as vowels. Okay. Hope this is a new knowledge for all of you. New knowledge, no? Then next thing we are going to learn is there are short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Short vowel sound and long vowel sounds. So first of all, when we take it as if it is a short vowel sound. Short vowel sounds. Short vowels. Same. That is so short vowel sounds, when we produce, you have to listen clearly. Let us see this. This one, first one is A. Next one, A. Next one, E. Next, O. Next, A. For example, as in April. A in apple. Apple, 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 not apple, apple. Next E, E like egg, 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 egg. E not egg, egg, egg. Sound, egg, egg. Next I, I. We say usually, but it is not I. It is E, E. You have to pronounce it as E. When this is short vowel, its pronunciation is E, E. Like ink, 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 E. Next O, O like ox, 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 ox. Next, the last one is A, A. Its pronunciation is A, like umbrella, 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 A. So these are the sounds of short vowels. Short vowel sounds are like this: A, E, O, A, 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 E, O, A, umbrella. Last one. So these are the sounds of short vowels. Okay. Now let us check the sounds of long vowels. Long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds. So long vowel sounds are just like the name of the letters. Name of the letters. That is A, E, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. That one is long vowel sounds. For example, A in A, A sound, A sound, A. Next E in ear sound, ear. Next I sound in eyes. Next O like soap, O sound, soap. Next U as in June, like that. See, so here long vowel sounds are like A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. That is sounds of long vowels. Long vowel. Now, if you want some more examples like that, you can take note some examples. Some more examples for short vowels and long vowels. Short vowels, long vowels. Short vowel sound, long vowel sound. Short vowel sound, long vowel sound. See here, short vowel sounds like rat or hat. Rat, hat, hat. Long vowel sounds. Say like rate or hate. Rate or hate. Long vowel sounds. Again, short vowel sounds. Example for A letter A. That is met or bet. Met or bet. Bet. Same for long vowels. Meet or beat. Beat. Next, for E letter E. That is it, it or bit, it or bit, it, bit. Its long vowel sounds are like item, item, item or bite, bite, item, item, bite, bite. Next one is O, O sound. That is not or got, not, 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 got, not, got. So its long vowel sounds are not, 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 sorry, spelling, not, 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 then got, 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 got. So the last one, like a sound, a sound. Cut, 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 cut or tub, cut, cut. This is short vowel sound for a, cut, cut, tub, cut, tub. Its long vowel sound is u, u sound, that is cute, cute or tube, cute, cute, cute or tube, cute, tube, like that. So these are the some of the facts about vowels and consonants. So I think you got some new points regarding these vowels and consonants, and when you get any doubt, please let me know that. You watch this video repeatedly and note down all your doubts. You please note down your doubts and let me know it later, so that I will try my level best to help you understand those things also. Thank you all for watching me and listening to the class.